first things first, I'm spraying my face with the Misty Legend Care Spray to moisturize and brighten my face. And as you can see, this is my second bottle already. This came all the way from Japan, so if you want to purchase and try it out for yourselves, the link will be in the description box, plus a discount code especially for my followers is included. Next, I'm using a new primer to smoothen out my pores temporarily. Let that dry for a few minutes and then apply a BB cream or a medium to full coverage foundation. This foundation is from Absolute New York, Philippines, and they recently just launched here. That's why I'm trying these out. So far, the products have a nice payoff, but I'm not sure about the longevity since this is my first time to use it. I'm also using this as a concealer for my under eye circles, and then set that in place with powder. I may have applied too much powder, so to counteract that super matte look, I'm using the Misty Legend Care Spray to set my foundation in place and make it look more natural. For the brows, I'm also using a new product from BLK Cosmetics. As far as I know, Jennie has soft brown brows, so that's what we're trying to achieve here. I like how there's a brow mascara on the other side. The wand is very tiny, but it allows me to precisely brush my brows where I want it to be. Also, a new product from Intuit. This is a cheek and lip tint, I believe, but we're gonna use it as an eyeshadow. Place this on the outer and inner corners and keep on blending for a soft cat eye look. Make sure to leave the middle part, and then use a light bronzer or eyeshadow with a rusty gold tone and place this on the center. Now for the fun part, use a concealer stick to trace a line from the crease down to the under eyes. You can use a white or beige eyeliner too, and then apply a champagne liner on top. Next, I'm using a brown eyeliner to outline my brows a little bit and add a dash of drama. Then curl your lashes and apply mascara ever so lightly. To make my eyes look more cat-eyed shape, I'm using a black liner just on the tear duct to emphasize the inner corners. For the face, I'm not sure if Jennie has a contour or bronzer, so I only did blush on my cheeks. And then for the lips, I'm using a matte natural pink lipstick, then a tint on the middle part. And of course, I'm adding more brightness to my face and setting it in place with another layer of the Misty Legend Care Spray. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this look, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!